What up, Jits? With the Bonito. 5-0 Turbo soon. But we heading out to a car meet right now. I'm about to get some runs in for tonight. First runs in the Camaro. Fuck, dude. If I lose, I lose. But if I win, dude, lost to a stock Camaro. But fuck, nigga, I'm looking nervous, bro.
Next one would be me on my feet.
Oh God, I gotta run it with. I forgot who I was gonna run it with on foot. That boy Caleb, I think.
Caleb.
He said run it on foot. I was like, bet. We all gapping that nigga. We all gapping that nigga on feet. But yeah, I'll record whenever I get there. Hopefully, if I don't fucking pussy out. But most definitely gonna get some fucking race content. Someone's calling me.
Jason.
We got the Muslims. Yeah, we got Sabuga.
Welcome to one only Jit.
Bro, where the fuck is Rahman? I'm hopping out. Hold on.
I can just park like right in front of us, nigga.
Why is he so shy? Oh my God. I got fucking. I'm getting that good treatment, huh?
I brought out the Maxima.
Say on God, you brought the Maxima, yo.
What the fuck is
Are we running on foot? We running on foot or what? Running on foot.
We on the YouTube?
We on the YouTube.
Run it.
Yeah, right? Jojo. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Where's the 5-0?
It's at home.
Why?
She's sleeping, man.
Why?
She's tired today.
Bro, give her a Red Bull. Give her a Red Bull.
She's sleeping on you. We on the YouTube, bro.
Hey, walk me to the car. Walk me to the car.
Alright. What is this? The GMC? The GMC. We got the Mercedes E-Class right here. Full of shitty M4. And then we got. Hold on. Someone shit talking. They shit talking. Why you shit talking?
Record for you?
Why you shit talking?
Who's this?
This is my shit.
Oh, I thought you made him. I thought Jared was recording.
Come on, why you talking shit on the? Hey, walk us through your car real quick.
So walk into my car. Okay, this is a 2019 BMW M4 competition.
Comp.
This is
Comp. Feel me?
So let him know.
I said the regular one, nigga.
What is it? Let him know.
It's a comp. Something slight, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy.
No.
My little GTI.
Oh yeah, look at that shit. Tell me about it.
Aftermarket splitter. Little comp.
Sing it for him.
Throwing on it just cause it's seat. Talking that shit as she could be.
Hey, shut the fuck up, pinche torta de mierda.
¿Y tú?
Bro, yo estoy flaco,
A ver.
sexy.
¿Qué es esta torta? Torta de negro.
Y lo gordo, the bigger the panza, nigga, the bigger the chanza, yo. We know how to cook. We know how to eat pussy too.
What?
Nigga,
What happened?
nigga, I'm beating your shit.
Cap.
Dustin.
40. Give me a 40.
Digs,
Give me a
nigga.
fucking.
40s?
I see this nigga wants big.
Hundreds.
Pussy
We'll
ass
do
nigga
100s,
wants
nigga.
Hey, he tough out of
We'll do 100.
I'm at 130.
I'll beat you till then.
Bro, my
I'll
shit's-
beat you
bro,
till then.
That's why
Easily.
I passed
I'll
him.
beat
I
you
passed
till
him
then.
Okay, but go to 150.
No,
You
nigga,
can't.
what?
You can't.
We'll do 60 to 130.
I don't do 60. I do 40.
I'll do 40 to 130.
41. That's gaps.
I'm fucking
That's
your
gas.
shit up. I'm fucking your shit up.
We better find out what this nigga. No, I don't
No,
think
this
I'm
is
gabbing,
different. This is
bro.
a whole different thing.
I want to run
It's
against
the same engine, bro.
No, that don't count, bro.
I got a
Tunability is
Oh,
different on that.
GTI.
Bro, you lost to Raman off a dig.
That was
You lost to Raman off a dig, bro.
He calls you.
All I see is, what's that behind us? What's that behind us? What's that behind us?
Nigga, I had these two in the car, bro. I had these niggas in the
Okay,
car.
and-
Oh, Miggy. Hey, Miggy's here. Let's go interview Miggy's ugly ass. Miguel, Miguel, walk me through your car.
Huh?
Walk me through the car.
The car, bro. It's carbon hood, bro. Carbon grill. Intake. Exhaust. Lowering spring. That's it, bro.
When we getting the runs in?
Huh?
When we getting the runs in?
What?
You get in today, right now?
Right now.
Right now.
Hey.
Hey.
No, not right now.
This nigga. It's running, nigga. I'm pushing 550. Stop.
Yeah, wait, nigga.
Bro, Jason, bro.
Camaro again. Should be good to do it.
about to crash.
High gear. Alright, you good? Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, that GTI quick.
I think.
That shit gapping me. I ain't hard.
Nah, I know that. Nigga, it pushes 400.
Damn.
Ya tú sabes, ya tú.
Bitch for losing.
I ain't loose.
He ain't loose.
I ain't loose.
He ain't loose.
I knew you got it,
The
man.
fuck? I ain't loose.
He ain't loose.
It's on. This is wrong video.
And this video right here.
And on there.
Both videos.
What?
Damn, my fucking bumper, nigga.
What happened to the bumper?
Nah, it's because aerodynamics, you know what I mean?
Ya tú sabes, cabrón.
Baby.
Ya tú sabes? Was it on?
I don't know, bro.
No. You gotta check.
I mean, shit, we got that one.
yeah, we do got that one. So how you feel after that run?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
How you feel after that
It
run?
was good until like 116. That's when you passed
And
through,
that's when you
yeah.
start slowing down.
Oh, yeah. We were neck and neck until like 110, like 116, like.
Bro, he ain't had the gap cam on.
Yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
I had it off, bro.
Hey, I had that one on though.
¿Qué pasó? What happened? What happened?
Camaro want.
Camaro? No way. How much? How was it? How old?
I in front of the Rex Center. Jason had it for a bit and then he starts like wheeling in.
Like 110.
This is like 110. Damn. 116 Alex won. Damn. So Alex barely had that shit. Yeah.
Oh, hold on, we can pull it up on the GoPro.
Oh shit. Is that the
Bro, that's right now, bro.
Hey, pull it right here so the can get it, gang.
Look, this is
This man not even
No man, bro.
Yo, this man not.
Who and who? 370?
my brother. You know how money shifted? Yeah, he money shifted.
Wait, man, you're just money shifted?
Third and second.
Oh my god, nigga.
Third to second, man, son.
Manuel, let me run it with him, but in your car, but I'm driving.
Oh shit, he's kind of close.
Damn, Daniel. Alright, fuck, I'm
that
gonna
shit, bro.
I'm gonna just keep the fucking camera rolling, man.
Oh, we just went on the highway to...
Second run, same run. Damn, that 40? Don't you take that shit?
Ain't nothing crazy.
He excited. Look at it. He happy.
I want it with Miggy.
Maybe? Fuck it. Let's stop the fucking camera on
Right now?
Hey, Miguel, ándale.
Miguel, right now?
Fuck it, right now. Actually, hold on. I don't want to take it off because it was looking kind of hard to put it on.
It
was looking hard to put it on.
Oh, come on, Miggy, let's go.
Let's go.
Hell, why you running?
Oh, Miggy got that. Oh, Miggy caps. Oh yeah, Miggy still takes though. Hell no, that's why I turned it on me. Here's the real calm. Here's the real calm.
Be next, be next.
Ready? Which one around? Which one around? 40. 40. You honking there or you want me to honk? You honk. He's honking. He's honking. You ready? Yeah.
Gotta have a little fun up there. I have traction on too, bro. Fuck.
Had a little fun with it. That shit was fun.
I have a little fun with it.
Little fun. Oh, yeah. How you feel? How you feeling? How you feeling, Jits?
Oh,
2 out? 2 out?
now,
Two.
That's
Cut looks too excited.
I am, bro. I'm shaking with excitement, bro.
What does he want?
40, I'm guessing.
I didn't even honk it all the way. 3 out, 3 out. Nigga left on the honk, the second honk.
This nigga's a cornball. This fuck ass nigga, bro. Fuck you. I still got the fuck out of you, nigga.
I'll give you 3 honks.
Come on, puppy. Miss you too.
Hell no, nigga. I don't wanna do all that, bro.
Niggas losing, man.
Huh? What happened?
I
I
just
lost to
grabbed-
this nigga, bro.
I know Joel gonna come crazy for these niggas.
Rahan, where you at?
That's on the low. It's on the low. They don't know. They don't know what's incoming.
We got it. Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna avenge you, nigga.
Huh? You gonna avenge me, bro?
I'm gonna avenge you in like 3
Bro,
years.
get this NAS nigga.
Hey.
This nigga.
Who?
My boy.
I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, I already beat 120 Turbo V8. You're next.
Whoa.
Nah, man.
You're next, nigga.
Dude, in like 2 weeks, hopefully.
Sound good.
2 weeks?
Nigga.
Yo, do a little happy dance.
Hey.
Fuck you, nigga.
Jump, nigga.
Nah, bro. Everyone's gonna fucking
Let's follow. Yeah, them trucks about to break down.
fuck, bro.
Yo, why you so cute?
This shit about to get fucking 50
Thank you.
views.
No. 51 views, guys. I'll tell him right now. Yo, come back.
Alright, ciao.
Yup.
Alright, gang. I don't know you, bro, but you got it.
Spin out, spin out, spin out.
Ay, Bakelo.
You too, man. Yo, when are we running it?
Let me know.
Where's your Infinity or whatever you got?
My Infiniti?
The Genesis.
What is it?
The Genesis.
I don't drive it right now.
Why not?
I just got something going on.
Oh shit, never mind then. Bro, let me know when it's back up.
Gotcha.
We're running. I seen you beat the other SS. I need the smoke. I need the
You
smoke.
need to run? Draco?
Yo, what the fuck is happening?
Let's not do it again, cut. Behind me.
Oh, what the? There's a cop right there, dumbass.
She know what's doing donuts. Ahí está la patrulla.
Hold on. La canción del canguro.
Hey.